Welcome to Gear Grinders, your trusted source for the latest and greatest in automotive innovation. Today, we're turning our focus to the electric frontier with the highly anticipated release of the 2025 Tesla Model 3. As one of the most popular EVs on the market, the Model 3 has helped redefine modern driving, and this year's update continues that mission with refined design, enhanced range, and next-level tech. Let's take a closer look at what makes the new Model 3 a standout in the ever-growing EV landscape. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 Tesla Model 3 brings a sleek evolution to its already minimalist design. Tesla has refined the exterior for better aerodynamics and a sharper look, including slimmer headlights and a smoother front fascia. The rear has been restyled with a modern light bar that spans the width of the car, giving it a futuristic presence on the road. Inside, the cabin takes simplicity to the next level. A new ambient lighting system, improved materials, and the absence of traditional stalks on the steering column all signal Tesla's commitment to a clean, ultra-modern driving environment. Performance and powertrain. Under the hood, or rather under the floor, Tesla has made key upgrades to its battery and drivetrain. The 2025 Model 3 offers improved range across all trims, with the long-range model now reaching over 370 miles on a single charge. Acceleration is just as thrilling, with the performance variant sprinting from 0 to 60 in under 3.1 seconds. Tesla's dual-motor all-wheel drive system ensures confident handling and torque delivery whether you're navigating city streets or hitting the open highway. The improved suspension and sound insulation also provide a noticeably quieter, more comfortable ride. Technology and safety. As always, Tesla leads the charge in automotive tech. The 2025 Model 3 introduces an upgraded infotainment system with snappier response and expanded app support. Rear passengers now enjoy a second screen for media and climate controls, adding to the vehicle's premium feel. Tesla's latest autopilot and full self-driving capabilities have been refined for smoother lane changes, better object detection, and more intelligent navigation. Standard safety features like automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and collision avoidance remain best in class. Conclusion. The 2025 Tesla Model 3 isn't just a refresh, it's a bold step forward. With enhanced performance, smarter tech, and a sleeker design, this electric sedan continues to set the benchmark for affordable luxury EVs. Whether you're a longtime Tesla fan or considering your first electric vehicle, the new Model 3 delivers an experience that's hard to match. For more automotive reviews and future tech spotlights, don't forget to subscribe to Gear Grinders.